In the previous video, we have talked about the conventional sources of energies or non-renewable resources. In this video we will learn about the non-conventional sources of energy or renewable resources and the different types of renewable resources we can use. The energies which are continuously produced in nature and are limitless, are known as non-conventional sources of energy or renewable resources. Solar energy. The sun radiates enormous amount of energy, half of which gets absorbed passing through the atmosphere, and the rest reaches the Earth's surface. A typical solar cell can produce about 0.7 watt of electricity when exposed to sun. A large number of solar cells are combined in an arrangement called solar cell panel, which can deliver enough electricity for practical use. The solar cells are made up of silicon, which are easily available in nature, but the availability of special-grade silicon for making more efficient solar panels is limited. Solar panels doesn't have moving parts, require little maintenance and works quite well without the use of any focusing devices. Silver is used for interconnection of the cells in a panel, which adds up the cost. Solar panels are used in technological applications. Artificial satellites like Mars orbiters uses solar cells as the main source of energy. Radio or TV relay stations in remote areas uses solar cell panels. However, the domestic use of cell is limited due to its cost. Tidal energy. Due to the gravitational pull of Moon on the spinning Earth, the water in the sea rises and falls. The sea level changes during the day. This phenomenon is known as high tide and low tide, and the difference in sea levels gives us tidal energy. Tidal energy is harnessed by constructing a dam across a narrow opening to the sea. A turbine fixed at the opening of the dam converts tidal energy to electricity. As you can see, the locations where such dams can be built are limited. Wave energy. The kinetic energy possessed by huge waves near the seashore can be trapped to generate electricity. Here the waves have to be very strong. A wide variety of devices have been developed to trap wave energy for rotation of turbine and production of electricity. Wind energy. Unequal heating of the landmass and water bodies by solar radiation generates air movement and causes winds to blow. The kinetic energy of the wind can be used to generate electricity. In this process a windmill is used. A windmill similar to large electric fans, erected at some height on a rigid support. To generate electricity, the rotatory motion of the windmill is used to turn the turbine of the electric generator. The output of a single windmill is quite small and cannot be used for commercial purposes. There are a large number of windmills, are erected over a large area. The area is called wind energy farm. The energy output of each windmill in a farm is coupled together to get electricity on a commercial scale. Wind energy farms can be established only at those places where wind blows for the greater part of a year. The wind speed should also be higher than 15 km per hour to maintain the required speed of the turbine. There should be some backup facilities such as storage cells to take care of the energy in the period when there is no wind. For a 1 megawatt generator, the farm needs about 2 hectares of land. Hence the cost of establishment of a wind energy farm is quite high. Since the blades of the windmill is situated high and exposed to unexpected situations like rain, sun, storm and cyclone, they need a high level of maintenance. Geothermal energy. Due to geological changes, molten rocks formed in the deeper hot regions of Earth's crust are pushed upward and trapped in certain regions called hotspot. When underground water comes in contact with the hotspot, steam is generated. Sometimes hot water from that region finds outlets at the surface. Such outlets are known as hot springs. The steam trapped in rocks is routed through a pipe to a turbine to generate electricity. The cost of production is not much, but there are few places where such energies can be exploited. Some of such power plants' operational places can be found in New Zealand and United States of America. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to get the latest notifications.